In 2021, China quietly made history by landing its first rover, Tiangong, on the surface of Mars, becoming only the second nation to do so successfully. Named after the ancient Chinese god of fire, Tiangong stands about 1.8 meters tall and weighs 240 kilograms, equipped with 6 wheels, solar panels, and a suite of scientific instruments. It rolled onto the red planet with a mission to study Martian soil, search for signs of water, and analyze the planet's magnetic field and climate. What makes it remarkable is that China accomplished orbiting, landing, and deploying a rover, all in its maiden interplanetary mission. Operating in the vast Utopia Planitia region, Tiangong sent back stunning high-resolution images and valuable data, proving China's growing capabilities in deep space exploration. It's not just a rover, it's a symbol of ambition, precision, and a nation's cosmic confidence. Deep in a laboratory in Sichuan, China is simulating the heart of a star. The HL-2M tokamak, dubbed China's artificial sun, is a nuclear fusion reactor designed to mimic the energy-generating process of our real sun. Using superheated hydrogen plasma reaching over 150 million degrees Celsius, more than 10 times hotter than the sun's core, it aims to create nearly limitless, clean energy by fusing atomic nuclei. Unlike fission, which splits atoms and creates radioactive waste, fusion promises a safe, sustainable energy future. HL-2M's powerful magnetic fields trap the swirling plasma inside a donut-shaped chamber, keeping it stable long enough to steady energy output. While full-scale fusion power is still a global challenge, China's success with HL-2M puts it at the forefront. A fully implantable artificial heart, such as the ABOC, represents a breakthrough in life-saving medical technology. Designed to completely replace a failing human heart, it operates without any external wires or tubes penetrating the skin, eliminating major infection risks. All essential components, including the pump, internal battery, and electronic controller, are housed entirely within the patient's chest. Power is delivered wirelessly through a transcutaneous energy transmission TET system, which uses electromagnetic fields to charge the internal battery from outside the body. This wireless design allows patients greater mobility and comfort while maintaining life-sustaining circulation. More than just a mechanical pump, the device intelligently responds to the body's changing demands. Blazing across China at breathtaking speeds of up to 350 kilometers per hour, the CRRC Fushing high-speed trains are not just engineering marvels. They are a symbol of national pride and technological dominance. Designed and built entirely in China, these trains feature cutting-edge aerodynamics, advanced safety systems, real-time monitoring, and a smooth ride that rivals even the best Japanese or European models. With hundreds of these sleek trains connecting major cities across vast distances, passengers can now travel from Beijing to Shanghai in under 5 hours. Inside, you'll find everything from Wi-Fi and power outlets to quiet cabins and business-class seating. The Fushing isn't just fast, it's efficient, reliable, and built to redefine public transport for the modern era. China's rail network is now the envy of the world, and the Fushing sits proudly at its core, racing into the future. Towering on the launch pad like a steel giant, the Long March 10 represents China's next chapter in space exploration, built not just to reach orbit, but to send astronauts to the moon. Standing over 90 meters tall, this heavy-lift rocket is designed to carry more than 70 tons into low Earth orbit and up to 27 tons on a lunar trajectory. It features a modular design with a powerful first stage and side boosters that deliver immense thrust during liftoff. With advancements in reusability and upgraded engines, Long March 10 is engineered for both crewed and cargo missions. Its debut will mark China's ambition to land takenauts on the moon by the early 2030s. Every rivet and bolt in this rocket tells a story of precision, progress, and purpose. It's not just a launcher, it's China's stairway to the stars. When flames rage and smoke thickens, firefighting robot dogs charge in, fearless, tireless, and built for danger. These four-legged machines, inspired by canine agility, are equipped with thermal cameras, gas sensors, and high-pressure water jets, making them ideal for navigating environments too hazardous for humans. Developed by Chinese robotics firms like Unitree and others, they can detect hotspots, carry firefighting gear, and even map burning buildings in real time. Controlled remotely or guided by AI, these robotic dogs can access tight corridors, climb stairs, and operate in extreme heat without risking lives. Some models can even act autonomously, coordinating with drones and command centers during large-scale emergencies. Biopod is inspired by space and designed for Earth, a groundbreaking innovation that merges futuristic engineering with urgent environmental needs. This smart, self-contained habitat offers a sustainable farming solution for natural ingredient sourcing, advanced agriculture, scientific research, and bioconservation. Using a fully controlled climate system and hydroponic technology, Biopod allows crops and rare plant species to grow efficiently in almost any environment, from deserts to disaster zones. Originally developed with space missions in mind, it brings that same precision and resilience back to our planet. Whether it's for growing food off-grid, conducting botanical experiments, or preserving endangered flora, Biopod redefines what's possible in sustainable living. Compact, safe, and powerful, Ling Long 1 is China's bold step toward the future of clean energy. Developed by the China National Nuclear Corporation (CNNC), it's the world's first commercial small modular reactor (SMR) to receive approval for construction. Unlike traditional nuclear plants, Ling Long 1 is factory-built, transportable, and designed for flexible deployment in remote areas, islands, or industrial parks. Each unit can generate 125 megawatts of electricity, enough to power over 500,000 homes, while maintaining the highest safety standards through passive cooling systems and modular design. It's scalable, cost-efficient, and minimizes environmental impact. Whether supplying power to underserved regions or helping reduce carbon emissions on a national scale, Ling Long 1 represents a quiet revolution in how we harness nuclear energy. The Tiangong space station, meaning Heavenly Palace, is China's first long-term crewed space station, orbiting Earth in low Earth orbit at an altitude between 340 and 450 kilometers. Operated by the China Manned Space Agency (CMSA), Tiangong is a modular structure that was constructed in orbit through the docking of several modules, the first of which, the Tianhe Core module, was launched in April 2021. The station is designed to support a crew of 3 astronauts for extended stays and can accommodate up to 6 during crew rotations. Tiangong serves as a platform for conducting various scientific experiments in a microgravity environment, contributing to advancements in fields like space medicine, biology, and materials science, and represents a significant step in China's ambitious space program. The A2Z Level 4 Autonomous Driving Shuttle, known as ROII, is a fully unmanned mobility vehicle designed and manufactured in South Korea by Autonomous A2Z Company. Limited capable of transporting up to 11 passengers, ROII can operate safely and efficiently in complex urban environments without fixed routes. This Level 4 autonomy signifies that the vehicle can handle all aspects of driving under specific operational design domains without requiring human intervention. ROII is equipped with features like a wide front display for user information, USB charging ports, a wheelchair ramp for accessibility, an automatic climate control system, and ergonomically designed seating. Autonomous A2Z envisions ROII as a key component in future mobility, offering a convenient and safe transportation experience. Meet the DJI Matad Rice 4, a drone not for hobbyists, but for the pros who need eyes in the sky with surgical precision. Built for industrial, security, and research applications, this next-gen quadcopter combines power with intelligence. With flight speeds reaching over 80 km per hour and a maximum flight time of up to 45 minutes, it carries multiple payloads including LiDAR, thermal cameras, and zoom lenses, all swappable depending on mission needs. It features real-time obstacle avoidance in 6 directions, 4K live streaming, centimeter-level positioning, and AI-powered object recognition. Emergency response teams, engineers, and surveyors rely on the Matad Rice 4 for life-saving operations and extreme environment mapping. Rugged, weather-resistant, and endlessly customizable, it doesn't just fly, it thinks, scans, and reports. It's not just a drone, it's a flying workstation. What if your daily commute could lift off the ground and fly above traffic? Enter the Xping X2, a fully electric flying car that turns sci-fi into real-world innovation. Developed by Xping X2, this sleek two-seater eVTOL electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed for low-altitude urban air travel. With a carbon fiber body and a futuristic bubble canopy, the X2 looks like something from a movie, but it's already flown over cities like Dubai in test demonstrations. Capable of reaching speeds up to 130 km per hour, it operates quietly and emits zero carbon, making it an eco-conscious leap forward. Piloted autonomously or manually, it offers about 35 minutes of flight time on a full charge. It's not just an air taxi, it's a vision of tomorrow's smart, vertical transportation where roads are optional and skyways become reality. The Yunqing prototype plane, developed by the Chinese company Space Transportation, also known as Beijing Ling Long Tianqing Technology, is a supersonic aircraft designed to travel at speeds up to Mach 4, twice as fast as the retired Concorde. Following a successful test flight in late October 2024, which verified its aerodynamics, control systems, and the thermal and mechanical resistance of its composite materials, the company aims to conduct a full maiden flight of a larger, commercially viable version by 2027. The Yunqing is designed for vertical takeoff and landing and envisions drastically reduced intercontinental travel times, potentially flying from Beijing to New York in approximately 2 hours, marking a significant step in the revival of supersonic commercial aviation. The BYD Dolphin isn't just an electric car, it's a glimpse into the future of compact mobility. With a top speed of around 160 km per hour, 99 miles per hour, and an electric range of up to 400 km, this stylish hatchback is designed for the modern city commuter who refuses to compromise on tech or efficiency. Sleek lines, LED lighting, and a futuristic interior packed with a rotating touchscreen make it feel more like a smart device than a car. Powered by BYD's in-house Blade battery, the Dolphin offers fast charging and long-term durability with enhanced safety. But what really sets it apart is its price-to-performance ratio, affordable, fully electric, and loaded with smart features. Whether you're zipping through tight city lanes or cruising the highway, the BYD Dolphin delivers a smooth, quiet, and surprisingly quick ride. Meet the AG600 Ling Long, a flying machine that doesn't fear land or sea. As one of the world's largest amphibious aircraft, this Chinese-built giant was engineered for missions that demand versatility, fighting wildfires, performing ocean rescues, and patrolling vast maritime territories. It can cruise over 4,500 kilometers, scoop up massive loads of water from lakes or oceans, and land on waves as confidently as on a runway. Its 4 turboprop engines give it the muscle to carry over 60 passengers or 12 tons of cargo, making it a true aerial workhorse. Whether diving into emergency zones or gliding over archipelagos, the AG600 is designed to go where others can't. Imagine a dog that doesn't bark, eat, or sleep, but responds to your voice, dances to music, and even follows your every step with robotic loyalty. That's Cyberdog II, Xiaomi's upgraded 4-legged robot that blurs the line between machine and companion. Weighing just 8.9 kilograms, it's lighter, more agile, and eerily lifelike, thanks to 12 degrees of freedom and an AI brain powered by NVIDIA's Jetson platform. It can perform backflips, track faces, avoid obstacles, and react to gestures in real time. Developers can customize its behavior using open source code, turning it into a walking lab for robotics and AI enthusiasts. It's not a toy, it's a glimpse into how robots might soon live with us, work beside us, and learn from us.